Welcome to Cusco, a city at 11,152 feet. When you're a pilot or in the aviation industry, you learn that aircraft that fly over 10,000 feet have to be pressurized or have oxygen, because above that you get oxygen deprivation. So everyone up here lives in oxygen deprivation. So most people who come get elevation sickness or altitude sickness, as I did. We're going to come back to this building because it's important. It illustrates the layers of culture that exist in this city, exist in all cities, but more pronounced here than anywhere else. We take a quick drive through the historical center of Cusco on our way up to San Sebastián, one of the oldest neighborhoods of the city. A quick tour of our cozy little flat. It's quite cold at night, but gets the job done. And the alpaca blankets are incredible for maintaining heat. So San Sebastián, again, the oldest modern community of Cusco, Cobblestone Streets, and we're up on the side of a mountain here. So it's a bit of a hike to get up and down as you go into the historic parts of Cusco or even trying to get to any of the other facilities. So just listen to the sound of the cars as they go by with their wheels trying to slide down the cobblestone. Now we're near the historic center, and you can see evidence of the different types of cultural stonework that exists here, and we'll come to a site a little bit later that really illustrates this point. The market has an abundance of everything a person could need here. All the collectibles, all the food, all the cultural artifacts that are sold on the street can all be found here in this location. It's a large market, always bustling with people, and as we walk through here today, it's one of the quieter periods of the day. And a lifesaver for altitude sickness. Coca leaves. The locals say one of the best things to do when you first come in to try and prevent altitude sickness is stay away from dairy and meats in your first 24 hours there. A city where the dogs roam freely and the sidewalks aren't wide enough for half a person. So it's possible, and you do get hit with mirrors from cars. Some of the beautiful Incan and pre-Incan artwork. And a quick tour of the instrumentation.
Chincha plus. exchange of flowers plus ceremonial plus.
The weather can change in a hurry here. Come from cloudy and sunny, pouring rain and hail. So now we're taking a look at the famous Inca Roca wall and the location of the 12-sided stone. You see the difference here between the Inca stonework and the megalithic stonework. The megalithic stone that you see here is basalt, and from a basalt quarry around 45 miles away. So it transitions megalithic to colonial repair work. This is all repair work. Or what they call Spanish colonial repair. So you can see the mix of different stones and attempts to repair the megalithic stone, where a lot of the smaller pieces are mix-matched, tucked in, and they use mortar in between. There's the interesting knobs that protrude out of the megalithic stone that they theorize was used to wrap rope around to lift these stones into place. If you look closely at these stones, you can't fit a human hair in between the cracks, and they're where they have been cracked apart by earthquake or cataclysm. You can see that they're dimensional, they're curved in complex shapes and fit together perfectly, as if they were formed in position. Megalithic, and on the corner, Spanish colonial. The cultural aspects in Cusco are significant. There's a lot of effort put into promoting the Inca culture. Very colorful displays, happy people promoting everything that they know of Incan culture.